Springs may cut back a little bit further, maybe a little closer to the east boundary of this polygon. So Southern Hills Country Club here at 635, ORU 637, Jinx at 640, Owen Hall on 81st just to the east of Yale at 642, and Center Park at 642 as well. 644, I should say, Spirit Center in Bixby, 649, Hazel Creek Park at 654. I don't know if you guys can take a look at that on Warren Place camera. Excellent.
Dude, you hear the sirens?
That's going to be a good one to look at too, because that's coming right toward the camera. You can actually see
full sirens.
In that cloud as we look straight to the west. This is high atop one.
There's the high school. There's the high school they're talking about. Full sirens.
There, right there in the southwest corner of the Fortune Park. So that's what we're saying. No funnel. It is
funnel coming down.
Swirl in cloud days right there, and oftentimes that's the kind of spread point that you get.
Yeah, that's the school right there. Right there.
Starts to
hold on, we're gonna hydroplane the storm. Around the storm.
Again, I'm looking at correlation coefficient while we watch that big wall cloud move by, a big shelf cloud with a little, looks like what could be a little wall cloud there now south of 61st Street, moving towards 71st. Let me clear the track. I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly
we're coming into the heart of it.
Where that is. So
there's the high school.
The high school, Southern Hills Country Club. That's the circulation crossing right over the Arkansas River that you're seeing there. Pick that, tell you what, Phil.
All right, we're coming into Tulsa. Tornado sirens are going off here in Tulsa.
That is a wall of rain and hail behind it, too. That big kind of green tent.
Punch right through this. Punch right through this motherfucker right here.
And that is our circulation. Not super strong.
Right there, straight ahead.
It has been sustained. Now to the east of Tulsa Hills, coming down toward ORU, our Jinx down the river. You're going to have a good view of that one too. Correlation coefficient.
No, there's definitely rotation.
Again, any evidence
I can see it for a second. There's a scud cloud. We got rotation.
What may have been a small wall cloud right along that bigger shelf cloud. Looks like it may be starting to dissolve, but you can see how often we're having to move the camera. This thing is sweeping southeast pretty quick. Ooh, yeah, that rotation's quite a bit weaker. Passing really close to ORU right now, and then on towards City Flex Towers, moving to the southeast. So heads up, Jinx, Holland Hall area.
Look at dude, here's the downtown picture I took earlier.
So that is one mean-looking storm on that tower cam view. Not seeing any.
So their weather cams are shooting back now off that building at the rotation right here. Obviously, they got better cameras than me, so if this thing's going to touch down, it's going to touch down right here.
Right now, we can get the all clear for a tornado threat down north of 61st Street. So that's important. So 61st North, including Brookside, Midtown, Fairgrounds, all of North Tulsa, Lasso, we can get the all clear there. One more check of velocity. And a little bit ragged. But we still have a little sustained rotation here, moving toward ORU. Let's go back to reflectivity. And we're going to see this big wall of rain and hail move right over that camera just in the next few minutes. Well, you know what? Let's continue. Show me
so glad we're on the ground right here.
That's going to be a big issue too.
Yeah, well, you're keeping a very close eye on that rotation. As James was saying, it's not quite as organized as it was as it was coming out of Osage County, but I want to let you know that there's also going to be hail with this storm as well. You may be under a tornado warning. Maybe most of you in Tulsa aren't under a tornado warning and you're just watching to see what happens. Well, take a look at this large area of hail coming into town.
Those were the only ones on the road.
Downtown now, we are seeing that hail come into Midtown, right on the, kind of right behind that leading
there's nobody
of
around.
The storm. That's where we're going to be seeing the biggest hail out of this storm. You can see those pockets kind of right close to the Arkansas River.
U's and U-turns and cookies right in the middle of this three-lane highway.
Here's 44 here as we take a look at how big this hail is expected to be. And I'm going to put
so it's going to come right through downtown, guys.
Area as well. We're trying to pick up on some of the bigger hail sizes.
Get up off this highway. Get up over here.
$5 size hail possible coming south. Kind of right along with that area of rotation. So this is going to be coming into southern portions of Tulsa, so South Tulsa here past I-44. We're going to take a look at the hail site here, how
jump off here.
issued.
Jump off here.
That is going to be for that same location that we were tracking closer to
Flash flooding.
That is just northwest of Shoto. I was actually watching this one, and that's exactly where I was going to go next. Is back to this rotation, as it did seem to be strengthening.
Here comes another
just a little bit,
smasher.
organizing itself just a little bit more. So that's morning now.
I'm Steve Bird, live in the KRMG Storm Center. You've been listening to live team coverage from our colleagues at Fox 23, Chief Meteorologist James Adelot and Meteorologist Laura Mock, closely tracking a tornado-warned storm that's moving right through the heart of the city of Tulsa.
Right through the heart of the city, dude. We're right in the heart of the city. Right here! Yes!
The front of that tornado warning was right around the Tulsa Hills and the ORU area there in southwest Tulsa, the southwest part of the city of Tulsa.
Right through the heart of the city, and
if you work your way just a little bit further east, we're talking about Brookside, the Promenade Mall,
we're in the heart.
High School,
we're in it.
Mall area. That is outside the tornado-warned areas, so you can kind of get your bearings. The west of there, talking about Holland Hall, the ORU area,
look at that poor guy.
area.
Why did you ride a motorcycle on the freaking tornado
area of rotation. They say it has weakened a little bit, but still strong enough that they do still have that tornado warning in effect for southeastern Tulsa County as well as Central Creek County until 6:45.
That was close! That was really close!
Of southern Mays County, and we want to get the official word from the emergency alert system.
Oh, it's pulling up, dude. Look at the water's coming off the ground. Here goes the tornado alert. Dude, I say we go right. Go Sand Springs. Go Sand Springs. The Moody Medical Center. At least we're close to a hospital. You hear those sirens?
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southwest of Fire Creek, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Here comes another one!
Damage to roofs, windows.
Wasn't so bad. That was a good banger. Flash kicked out to the right.
Grove,
They went away from us.
Murphy, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Prayers to
Avoid
Tulsa! Tulsa is under tornado watch right now.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle,
yeah, right
move
here.
to the closest substantial shelter and
Alright, we
protect
gotta get
yourself
ready for
from
our
flying
shelter.
debris.
That was the word from the emergency alert system about a new tornado warning that has just been issued for southern Mays County until 7 o'clock this evening. Right now, that storm that's capable of producing a tornado, they believe, is located 4 miles southwest of Fire Creek, moving to the southeast at 35 miles per hour. Now, a bit of good news. The tornado warning for northeast Rogers County has been canceled a little bit early, but there's more bad news. As we said, we are tracking a tornado-warned storm that's moving right through the city of Tulsa, even as we speak. Tornado warning in effect until 6:45, so for about another 10 minutes officially.
10
It might get
minutes.
extended, though.
10 minutes. Here we go. Let's set up. Let's set up on this next
still
overpass.
attacking quite a punch, not showing much sign of slowing down. That storm located about 4 miles northwest
Whoa, that's a
of the
big one.
Chiefs Riverside Airport, moving to the southeast at 30 miles per hour. Let's check in with our KRMG storm track.